welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a New York cheesecake. This is one that people have asked me for the recipe of several times, and I hadn't actually made one yet, but it doesn't seem too difficult, so I think that we can handle it. Let's get started. I am making a small version today. Feel free to double the recipe for a large one. We need one 6-inch graham cracker crust, just the bottom of the crust. If you need a recipe, see the link in the card. 16 ounces or 450 grams of full-fat cream cheese. 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar. 1.5 tablespoons flour. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. A dash of salt. 3 eggs. 1/4 cup or 65 milliliters of sour cream. You're going to want to make this in a springform pan, so with the graham cracker crust covering only the bottom of the pan, then wrap the outside of the pan in aluminum foil. You will eventually be baking this in a water bath, so we need it to be waterproof, and springform pans rarely keep all the water out. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine cream cheese, sugar, flour, or you can substitute cornstarch, vanilla, lemon juice, and salt. Beat until creamy. Beat in eggs one at a time. Add in sour cream. Pour cheesecake mixture into prepared pan. Bake in 1 inch of water in another container at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Remove from oven. Allow to cool in the water bath for another 45 minutes. Then remove from water bath and chill in fridge overnight. Loosen and remove the springform around the edges. The point of the New York technique of the water bath is that the surface has no cracks in it. This cheesecake is creamy and lovely. It tastes exactly like cheesecake from a fancy restaurant. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes, hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.